Good morning, dear students. Today we start a new chapter in geography, chapter number 3, Motions of the Earth. Let us begin with the universe. The universe includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light, and even time. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions or billions of stars. Our universe is incredibly huge. Traveling at the speed of light, it would take 1 lakh years to cross our Milky Way galaxy alone. No one knows the exact size of the universe because we cannot see the edge, if there is one. All we do know is that the visible universe is at least 93 billion light years across. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the largest of the terrestrial planets in the solar system. Initially, the Earth was in a molten state. Over time, the surface of the Earth cooled and became the crust. The Earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. It is the only known planet to support life. The Earth, like all the other planets in the solar system, revolves around the Sun in an elliptical order. It also rotates on its axis. These two motions of the Earth are responsible for many phenomena on the Earth, like the day and night. Also, the various seasons like summer, rain, winter, even wind and the ocean currents. All these phenomena are dependent on the rotation and revolution of the Earth. What is rotation? Rotation is simply the spinning of the Earth on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the Earth through the North and the South Pole. The Earth completes one rotation with the span of 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds, which we consider as 24 hours. The axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical, and if we draw a parallel line to the plane of the Earth's orbit, it would make an angle of 66.5 degrees with its orbital plane. The characteristics of rotation. The Earth completes one rotation from west to east in about 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds, which we consider as 24 hours. It is always tilted in the same direction, that is towards the pole star, as it moves around the Sun. The speed of movement at the equator is 1660 km per hour, and the speed decreases towards the pole. That's all for today. Thank you.